welcome to my vlog. Today I'm just going to be going to the new opening of the Morphe store downtown in the Water Tower. Well, downtown Chicago if you're not from Illinois.
It's kind of moist in here.
So yeah, turn on the air, Tati. So I'm here with my cousin and she thought like I was joking that I was going to try to vlog this. I'm going to try to vlog this and hopefully it's like a lot of fun and it's like really like spicy and like... So first, Tati came to my house after work, and I just did kind of like a natural look. I let my hair air dry, and this is what it looks like when it air dries. And I just put like these two clips that I got on Amazon. These are like, just what are these called? Barrettes? Yeah, these two little like barrettes. I got them on Amazon really cheap with a lot of like fun and like pastel colors. And I just put Anastasia brow gel on my brows, and then I used the Laura Mercier concealer, and I really like it. Do you like this concealer on me? I really like this concealer a lot. It's one of my favorites. And just like a Milani matte regular like bullet lipstick. And I'm wearing my Ariana Grande sweater and like some little shorts and some high socks and like little gym shoes. So it's like a casual cute day, and so hopefully we have like a cute shopping day today. So we're picking up Karina now, and I want to catch her reaction when I tell her like I'm gonna try to vlog this, and I bet you she's gonna be like super stale. Oh, the doors are locked. The doors are locked.
Hi.
Hey. We're vlogging this trip.
Vlogging?
I'm gonna try to.
You could have told me.
So I'm like been sick and like kind of really sick, and like I just pulled this casually out of my purse.
Casually.
What are you guys gonna order for Wendy's?
I'm gonna get a 4 for 4.
A 4 for 4? What are you gonna get? I think I'm gonna get, I don't know, maybe I'll get nuggets, but not spicy, right?
Fuck them spicy ass. Those are hot. They got
Right?
hotter.
We,
shit is
we all
not
agreed.
okay.
It's not. It's
They
way
got
hot.
hot.
They got hotter than last time.
No, it was not enjoyable.
We didn't even finish it.
No.
We couldn't even finish them.
And
Wait,
I
do they
like
have a spicy chicken sandwich?
They do have spicy chicken sandwich here.
I wouldn't try it.
What? I like the.
I think
like
I
the
eat those
sandwich.
all the time,
Yeah,
though.
the sandwich is good.
We're really close and I don't know what I want yet. We have the 6 cars.
Tati, last time when we went to Wendy's, we went to Wendy's and like I don't know if we were off it or not, but we were barely at the window and like to place the order. And we placed the order, like we're like, can we have a number 3 and a number whatever? And like we're still here. We're like, thank you. And we rolled up the window. I rolled up the window, and Tati jumps out of the window, basically jumps out the car, and it's like, wait, we didn't pay. I was like, we barely ordered. We just ordered. We can't pay. And she was like, oh, okay. She has this like fear of like not paying at
You're gonna have to
places.
slide your card through the bike box.
We're gonna place our order. We're gonna place
Hurry,
our
everyone
order.
else go first.
I'm
Do you
a
want
4
to do
for 4
3
chicken sandwich?
3 separate orders?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, you can order when you're ready.
Hi, can I have 3 separate orders, please?
I can take 2 separate orders.
Okay. Can I have a 4 for 4 with this chicken sandwich? What kind of drink?
Alright, what's your nuggets? Regular, spicy?
Regular.
Regular,
What's the sauce?
barbecue,
Alright, the drink?
Coke.
a Coke.
Okay.
Ask her if you can do spicy nuggets with the 4.
Please complete the first
Can.
one.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah. I'll do the
Right, and the 4 for
burger.
What kind of burger? 4 for 4 burger.
Yeah.
A 4 for 4 with a cheeseburger,
Alright, nuggets regular, spicy.
spicy.
What's the sauce?
Talks all that shit, still gets spicy. What's your drink?
Sprite.
A Sprite. What kind of sauce?
Barbecue.
And barbecue.
Okay.
And then I'll also have a 6-piece chicken nugget and a 4-piece chicken nugget, regular nugget,
Any sauce for me?
sweet and sour. It's my new theme. I know sweet and sour.
Get 1 sriracha.
Sweet and sour and 1 siracha. This was my result of one of my nuggets. I am very actually, like I've mentioned before, highly dissatisfied with the Wendy's on the east side. This is trash. The nuggets are rock solid. Again, Karina.
Yes.
Again. Do you have nuggets?
Yes, but mine are good. They're not bad.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. So that was my update on this nugget vlog. Thanks for tuning in.
Or what is it called?
American Girl doll.
Yeah.
We spent about, what, 45 minutes searching for this parking spot?
We got here too.
It's like our special spot that we look for parking for free. Okay. I gotta share it with the friends.
The city of Chicago wants its money, baby.
So we continued the vlog. We ended up playing. We ended up paying for parking.
It was only $4.
It was lit. I mean, we struggled, but literally just to pay for parking is kind of tragic. Karina took some cute pics of me in front of the Louis Vuitton store.
Yes, bitch.
She got those angles.
I
Really,
had
she
to.
got on her knees.
I had to.
And yeah, so my hair's looking kind of crazy, but we're close. And yeah, hopefully we enjoy this little trip, this little vlog. And
Turn around and take the picture of them.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
All you had to do was put the camera.
I don't see that option right now. I don't see that button right here. But we're waiting for my cousin, so like, Tati said we can't go in yet. Sad, we might get copy struck.
Shrek is gonna give me.
It's pretty like open. So we are gonna go in now. My cousin Frank made it. Frank, he's the cutest. I think I found my new favorite store.
Hi, welcome.
Hi. There's a waffle.
They're actually pretty soft.
Avocado. Kiwi. It's an avocado. Hey.
Men are the worst.
Oh, what happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh shit. Any other updates on our trip?
Where's your Morphe bag? Oh, there it is.
Updates on how the Morphe store was.
You mean the Jeffree Star store?
Tati? Yeah. I think it could have been better. And Morphe, their lip liners were $4. I recommend that because those were actually very affordable.
Where the fuck was the Y6? That's all I want to know.
What's the Y6?
Oh, sorry. You're fine. Fucking Laura Lee always recommended that fucking Y6.
Oh, the gold Y6.
Yes, and I wanted the fucking Y6. No, I looked through all of them.
The front by the brushes?
Yes, I went over there too. Those were the fucking R's, not the Y's.
Where was the Y6?
Let's take a poll. Do we think it's a bug bite or a sty? She is prone to styes. I say that it's not a sty because it's not near like the water line at all. It does look like a bug bite to me. Look at it!
Look at it!